Looking for a smarter way to keep your windows spotless? Whether it's for your home or office, these top 5 window cleaning robots combine smart tech and powerful suction to get the job done, no ladder required. Stay tuned to discover which one fits your space and budget best. All the links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description box below. Make sure to subscribe to stay up to date with the latest videos. Okay, let's get started. Number 5. PuRuiKai N361 Robotic Window Cleaner. The PuRuiKai N361, an ultra-thin robotic window cleaner built for modern homes. Designed to tackle glass surfaces with ease, this smart device combines power, precision, and sleek aesthetics. Its ultra-slim profile allows it to glide smoothly across tight corners and narrow edges. Thanks to the 5-meter cord, it covers large glass areas without needing constant adjustments. Perfect for high windows, glass doors, or mirrors. Operating on less than 800 watts, it's both powerful and energy efficient. With a wide voltage range from 110V to 240V, it works well in most households. Made with durable mixed materials, the N361 promises long-term performance. And with remote control functionality, it offers complete convenience at your fingertips. Whether for daily upkeep or deep cleaning, this robot simplifies your chores and adds a touch of innovation to your home. Number 4. PuRuiKai P309 Window Cleaning Robot. The PuRuiKai P309, a smart window cleaning robot that brings automation and efficiency to your home. Designed for convenience, it features an automatic water spray system that handles stubborn dirt with ease. This electric window wiper uses intelligent suction and a strong cleaning routine to deliver streak-free results. With a 4.5-meter cord, it easily covers large glass surfaces without needing frequent adjustments. Powered by less than 800 watts, it's both powerful and energy-saving. Plus, the wide voltage range from 100 to 240 volts ensures compatibility across various regions. Controlled remotely, the PR309 makes window cleaning truly hands-free. Just press a button and let it do the work. Whether you're cleaning balcony glass, high windows, or mirrors, this household robot saves time and effort. The PuRuiKai PR309 redefines the way modern homes handle everyday chores. Number 3. Liectroux YW810 Window Cleaning Robot. The Liectroux YW810 Window Cleaning Robot, your solution for hassle-free glass and window cleaning. With a dual water spray system and a 70 milliliters water tank, this robot delivers efficient, streak-free cleaning every time. Its 3 cleaning modes, auto, along the left edge and right edge, ensure it adapts to all your needs. The robot's advanced gyro navigation system intelligently maps your windows, while the brushless motor provides 2800 PA of suction power for a thorough clean. It's also equipped with smart memory, so it remembers the cleaning path for future use. The YW810 operates quietly with a noise level of under 60 dB and is protected by an anti-fall UPS system. Its compact design, 295 by 145 by 82 millimeters, and microfiber cleaning pads make it ideal for all types of glass, floors, and walls. Enjoy effortless cleaning with the Liectroux YW810. Number 2. ABIR WD8 Robot Window Cleaner. The ABIR WD8 Robot Window Cleaner is a smart solution for modern homes. With its dual water spray and microfiber cleaning pads, it delivers spotless results on glass, walls, and windows. It supports both automatic and manual spray modes for flexibility in every clean. Equipped with smart memory, the WD8 remembers its path, reducing time and effort. It offers 4 cleaning modes, N, Z, N+Z, and fixed-pointed, suiting various cleaning needs. The 3000 PA high vacuum suction and brushless motor provides strong, reliable performance. It features frameless detection and automatic edge sensing, preventing falls. In case of power loss, the UPS system gives up to 40 minutes of backup. Users can control it via remote or mobile app with ease. Quiet and compact, this gray cleaner includes voice prompts and operates under 65 dB. The ABIR WD8 blends power, intelligence, and safety in one sleek device. Number 1. Liectroux YW509 Window Cleaning Robot. The Liectroux YW509 Window Cleaning Robot brings efficiency and intelligence to home cleaning. Equipped with dual water spray, it ensures a deep, streak-free clean on windows, walls, and floors. This feature softens and lifts dirt effortlessly. With laser sensors and smart navigation, the YW509 scans surfaces and plans a precise cleaning path. It adapts to various areas, reducing missed spots and saving time. The 24-volt working voltage supports stable performance, while the built-in 500 mAh battery provides backup in case of a power interruption. Designed for convenience, this robot runs smoothly with minimal supervision. Its sleek form easily reaches corners and edges. Plus, the advanced tech ensures safety during operation. From busy households to office spaces, the Liectroux YW509 makes glass and surface cleaning easy, reliable, and hands-free. It's a smart investment for spotless results.